Now that is an old hammer. An old Bosch, what is it? A UBH 635. Not working at all. Check the obvious ones. Ooh. And she has an oil leak too. Which is probably what's wrong, because them brushes ain't moving. Yeah. Quite a substantial oil leak. That one's broken completely. And again, seized. And get this cover off. And see what we got. Let's take a steel plate off as well. It's the nut. Now, give that a clean. I'll have to give on here a clean as well. Just got a bit gunky. Look at that. Complete opposite to a modern hammer. It's nearly like a resup saw. With a cam to actually catch up here. But instead of pisting it up and down, it's a whole chamber. So that's actually pulling back the chamber every time. Everything else built to last. All these machines have been retired. But when all else failed, these were what boys will be pulling out to get a job done. Tiny wee clutch. Look at the size of the needle bearing and thrust bearing to keep that running. Yeah, I get nothing to do with that sort of beef in it. She needs a wee bit of a clean. There's where all the grease went under the housing. That's probably just from being stored, to be quite honest. A wee felt sleeve, a felt seal up there. There's no lip seal, there's no rubber seal. It's just a wee piece of felt. So when she's sitting stored, all the grease, over time the oils start to separate, seep onto this, seep down, drop out, and she just fills the whole cavity. See about changing that, clean everything out, so we can get her fixed up. Now, it's looking a bit better. See if we can get this thing back together. Right, where are you going to get a set of brushes for something this old? Oh yeah, that's right, here. So we have all the old stock. Lots of old stock that's never going to be used. But it comes in handy today. Now, does she at least work? She does. She runs. She's struggling a wee bit because of that heavy grease. I put quite a wee bit on. Because it's so viscous, it takes a wee while for it to actually heat up and get moved around and pushed into all the right places. But once it gets warmed up and moved, you'll hear that hammer start to run a bit freer. Look at that. That's it. That's it. That's another one saved. That'll take back memories of fond memories for some boys. And when you turn tape, when all else fails, that'll still be running. That's the UBH 6-stroke 35, an old vintage Bosch hammer.